Welcome students. In this video we are going to learn 10th standard chapter 4 quadratic equation, 5 important 3 and 4 more questions, all are word problems. Okay, so these CBSE videos can be watched from the students of across the country. Hereafter I am just going to post the videos only in the English language because it will be like easily understandable and very much helpful to all other state students also. So I'm extremely sorry for that. Okay, but don't worry, my English will be very basic level of English. Even 6th and 7th standard students can easily understand. Okay, so now check out the first question. Find a natural number whose square diminished by 84. Okay, just I'll explain the words alone. Diminished means we are doing some subtraction process there. Okay, diminished means what? Just we are removing something, so it is diminished means subtraction. By 84 is equal to thrice of 8 more than the given number. So when you are converting the word problems into your quadratic equation, that is whatever the terms we are going to use, conversion is very important. For that, each and every word in the question is important. Okay, even if you misunderstood any one word, then it will entirely spoil our question there. Okay, so first I am going to assume, as usual, let the number be x. Let the number be x. Okay, I will be denoting number in terms of like no and apostrophe. So here, as per the first condition, what they gave is a natural number whose square diminished by 84, that is x square diminished by 84. Try to understand x square. I am squaring the variable. Diminished means subtraction by 84. So negative 84 is equal to, so I am writing equal symbol, thrice of 8 more than the given number. How I can write 8 more than? 8 more than means something I need to add with x, and which is thrice. Thrice means what? 3 times. So I need to write this like 3 times x plus 8. Try to understand. Read the question once and twice and check how I am writing this statement. Okay, so x square minus 84 is equals to 3 times x plus 4. So square diminished by 84, I am using LHS, and thrice of 8 more than the given number. So thrice of x plus 8, I am using the right hand side. Now you can just simplify. X square minus 84 is equal to 3 times x is 3x, 3 8s are 24. Now move both the terms to the left hand side. See what happens. X square minus, next you should write x term, and then negative 84. This plus 24 when transforms to left hand side, it will also become negative 24. Okay, make sure whatever the terms you are transforming to the opposite side of the equation, whether you are moving it from left to right or right to left, the symbols will get reversed. Plus means minus, minus means plus. Now x square minus 3x, negative 84, negative 24, I need to add them. Okay, it is nothing but negative 84 plus 24, which will give you negative 108. So negative 108 equal to 0. So the process of framing the equation, arriving into your general form is very important. That is, general form means whatever the question they are giving, based on that you frame the equation and you try to simplify like this and arrive at the general form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is your first target. Only after getting this one correctly, you can go for solving part. Okay, for solving, since this is the word problem, whatever the method you feel very comfortable, whether formula method or factorization method, you can use that. Okay, now I'm going to use factorization method only. Negative 108, and here you have negative 3. So I need to find two numbers such that when I am multiplying, I need to get 108. When I am subtracting, I need to get 3. So the numbers are what? 9 and 12. Since both are negative, you keep the negative to the greater number. So your factorization would become 9 I have written. So I can write x plus 9. Whatever the number you got here, directly just write x with that. And then negative 12 means write x negative 12 is equals to 0. Now from this I can find x value. So x is equal to negative 9, that is plus 9 transforms to here, so negative 9, and another one x is equal to minus 12 transforms here, plus 12. Now x equal to negative 9 cannot be acceptable because the question they give, it's a natural number. Okay, therefore by omitting negative 9, you can write the reason. Okay, omit negative 9 or negative 9 cannot be considered as x is a natural number. Therefore x equal to 12 is your answer. Got it? This is what we are going to do in the next 4 questions also as well. So try to understand first. Okay, the questions might be looks very easy, like one line, two line questions will be given, but lot of informations will be there. By mentioning each and every word, they will represent every operation, whether we are doing squaring or subtracting or adding or multiplying or dividing. All the clues will be given in the question. So my suggestion is, whenever you are facing questions, whether it is on quadratic equation or whether it is on linear pair of equations, whatever the chapter you are getting the word problems, try to read the word problems minimum 3 to 4 times. Read the question and try to understand. Okay, shall we go for the next question? I hope you found this question will be very much useful to you. Just copy it down. If you want to just pause the video and you can copy it. We'll go for the next question. Question number 2. Yeah, here we go. A natural number. Again, this question is also talking about natural number only. A natural number, when increased by 12, equals 160 times its reciprocal. So this seems easier than the previous one, right? Yeah, so you can, as usual, write, let the natural number be, let the natural number be x. Okay, for my comfort I am using x. If you want, you can use any other variable also. So what they give, when it is increased by 12, so I am going to write x plus 12. Increased means use plus symbol, or decreased means you use negative symbol. Is equals to, okay, equals to 160 times its reciprocal, which means what? 160 times its reciprocal means x reciprocal is 1 by x. This it's refer to your number. Okay, so don't write 1 by 60. Don't misunderstood that. They are not asking 1 by 60. 160 times its reciprocal, which means 160 times the reciprocal of the number. So 1 by x. Now this x I need to multiply here. So x times x plus 12 equals to 160. Now multiply this inside. X into x, x square into 12, sorry, x into 12 is 12x. This 160 also you shift it to the left hand side, it will become negative 160 is equals to 0. Now I got the general form of your quadratic equation. If you want to try, you just pause the video and try to solve this from here. Okay, so whenever you are watching my videos, okay, I always suggest, if you found that you can able to do the question, if you have enough confidence to proceed the question, then simply pause the video and try it by yourself. Consider it like a test. Each and every sum, each and every video what I am posting for the CBSE students, I strongly suggest you to pause the video whenever you are getting an idea that you could have a confidence that you can solve this question by yourself. Then you can play and check it. It's very easy, right? So that you will have some hope on you, whether how could you have enough confidence to face the new questions in your question paper. Okay, that I always used to suggest to my students. Now from here, when I am multiplying, I need to get 160. When I am subtracting, I need to get 12. What are the possibilities you are going to have? It's going to be 20 times 8 and 20 minus 8. So these are the factors, 20 and negative 8. So you just write directly 20 there. X plus 20 and x minus 8 is equals to 0. So separate this. X plus 20 equal to 0 and x negative 8 is equals to 0. So when x will be negative 20, here x will be positive 8. Negative I cannot consider, so x equal to 8 is your final answer. Is it clear? So you need to write it here. Okay, you need to give a reason that why you are negative, why you are neglecting the 20. So you need to mention x equal to negative 20 is not possible because x is a natural number. Okay, therefore x is equals to 8. You just give a just 1 or 2 line reason you can write, and then you can pick your answer as x equal to 8. Yes, comparing with the previous question, this seems very easy only, right? I hope you understand this one. Shall we go for the next one? Yes, we'll go for the next one. If you have tried the question without my help, if you have tried this question and you got the correct answer, means kudos to you. Okay, we'll go for the next question. This is based on speed. Okay, so speed kind of questions or distance or time kind of questions you can't expect only in 3rd chapter. You can have this in 4th chapter also, that is in your quadratic equation also. Now check out here. A train traveling at a uniform speed for 360 km would have taken 48 minutes less to travel the same distance if it were 5 km more. That is, if they are increasing the speed by extra 5 km, then the time will be saved 48 minutes. This is what they are asking. This is what they are giving and asking us to identify the original speed, actual speed of the train. Okay, so actual speed only they are asking. So I need to take that as your x. Let actual speed actual speed of a train is equals to x kilometer per hour. Okay, then what is the new speed they are asking? They gave the information about increased speed. So in speed of the train is x plus 5. They are just adding 5 more, right? 5 more kilometer per hour they are increasing. For example, if they are actually moving in 40 means, then it would be 45. Or if they are actually moving in 20 means, it would be 25, like that. Okay, so x means x plus 5. Now what is the formula for time? What we have for time? Time is nothing but distance by speed. Okay, but before that, how much time will be saved here? 48 minutes they save. So 48 minutes, you just convert this into how I can write it as 48 over 60, right? Shall I write like this? I am converting the minute into hour, because speed will be calculated as kilometer per hour only. So I am converting this minutes into hour. So 48 can be written as 48 over 60. I can reduce this in 12 multiples. So 4 times and 5 times. So time is 4 by 5. Now according to the question, what they gave is how much distance is saved, how much time is saved actually? 4 over 5. Okay, so I need to write everything in terms of distance over speed, which means what? Time. I need to convert everything into time now. So first they are using 360 kilometer speed over x divided by same kilometer only, but this time they are increasing the speed. Obviously their time reducing is going to be 4 over 5. Try to understand this step. 360 is the actual speed in which we are taking that as x. Okay, uniform speed for 360 kilometer, and then what we are taking from here is 360 over, they are increasing the timing. So increasing the timing means obviously you are that is increasing the speed, increasing the speed means actually they are going to save some time there. So 360 over x plus 5 is equals to 4 over 5. When I am solving this one, you are going to get your answer. Okay, so better I am not going to multiply everything. I will take this 360 out. So what you will have remaining? 1 over x and 1 over x plus 5 is equals to 4 over 5. Now cross multiply this x plus 5. This x into x over x into x plus 5 is equals to 4 over 5. This 360 also you can, whether you can bring it there or you can cancel it, it is our choice. Okay, anyhow we are going to do at last cross multiplications only. So better I will do like this. Okay, better you can have this 360 there itself, and I can cancel 4 with 360. You are going to have 90. So what are you going to get on the right hand side? This negative x positive x is also getting cancelled. So 90 times 5 you have. So 90 times 5 you have, and this denominator 5 also I am cross multiplying there, and 4 times you cross multiply this x and x plus 5 this side. Try to understand what I have done there. Yes, oh sorry, 4 is got cancelled, no, so nothing is there. So x and x square. Now solve this one. X square plus we are getting 5x is equal to multiply all this 90, 5, 450, 425, 225, right? 22510 is there. Now bring it here. X square plus 5x negative 2250 equal to 0. So when you are multiplying, you are going to get 2250. When you are subtracting, you are going to get only 5. Okay, for that only we have clue. Just now we got no 9 5s, or you can split this 9 into 5 into 10 into 5. That is 90. I am splitting it as 9 into 10. Now see here, 9 tens, 9 5, 45 and 55 are the factors. That is how this 2250 came. Within the root itself I am getting the actual factors there. So sorry, 50. Yeah, 50. So 45, 50 when you are multiplying 2250, and when you are subtracting this 45 you need to put negative sign. So x minus 45 and x plus 50 are the factorization of your quadratic equation. So x minus 45 means this is going to be x equal to 45. This is going to be x equal to negative 50, which is not going to be possible because speed always going to be positive only. Okay, therefore speed of train, actual speed of train, original speed or actual speed, whatever you are going to write, original speed is 45 kilometer per hour. That's all your answer. Seems easy, right? Yes, this seems easy only when you are framing this one correctly. This one you must frame correctly. If you are doing this one wrong, then followed by others don't have any value. So frame the first step of your equation correctly, only then you can solve. Yes, I hope you understand this one. This question is a very important one. This was asked twice in past 5 years of your CBSE 10th standard. Yeah, we'll go for the fourth question of this video. So fourth question and fifth question both are based on ages. Okay, age kind of questions. If Ziba were younger by 5 years than what she really is, then square of her age would have been 11 more than 5 times her actual age. What is her age now? So here they are not talking about any other person. Instead they are talking about only one person. Okay, if we need to compare it with any other person, means we may get a pair of linear equation concept. So this is one advantage to you. Whenever age kind of question is talking about only one person, you can use only one variable, so that you are going to have maximum quadratic equation concept only. Okay, because when questions were asked in your exams, you might confuse whether we are going to frame any questions from chapter 3 or chapter 4. So you don't have to confuse there, so that I am giving you an idea. So Ziba age is here compared to only herself itself. So what I am going to assume is, let her actual age be, okay, let her actual age be x years. Let it be x years. Okay, so how much she feels younger there? 5 years younger. Okay, so when she was 5 years younger, okay, when she was 5 years younger, I need to reduce her age, x minus 5 years. Try to understand. After means we need to add, ago or before, or younger means you need to reduce the age. Okay, now by the question what they are giving is, this is, okay, what we have written, x minus 5 is square of her age would have been 11 more than 5 times her age. Try to understand. Square of this age, okay, that is x minus 5 square will be equal to 11 more than 5 times of her age, 5 times of her actual age, x. That's all. I gave you the equation. Yes, try to understand. Square of her age, that is 5 years younger. So x minus 5 square will be equal to 11 more than 5 times. So I am writing 11 plus 5x. Now expand this, you will be getting one exact quadratic equation. Then you can solve it by yourself. From there, if you have a confidence to solve, you can continue. Okay, at any moment, at what stage, at any stage, at any step, if you want to continue the sum by yourself, then you can do. I'll strongly suggest you to do. Okay, no need to wait and watch, no need to expect me to do all the sums, no need to just to copy down and go away. Okay, never ever do like that. You take each and every question as a challenge, and I want you to try to do it. Okay, now I'm just going to expand this in the identity of x, a minus b the whole square. So this is going to be x square, 2 5s are 10x plus 25, and bring them here, negative 11 negative 5x is equals to 0. Now solve this. X square negative 15x, and this would be 25 minus 11, 14 is equals to 0. So when I am multiplying, I need to get 14. When I am adding, I need to get negative 15. The numbers are negative 14 and negative 1. So negative 14 and negative 1 is equals to 0. Now in this case also, when negative 14 equal to 0, then it would be positive 14, and x negative 1 is equals to 0 means x equal to positive 1. Which one I can omit? Which one I can omit? Yeah, I can omit this one. Why? Because if you substitute 1 means what happens before 5 years, it would be negative 4. Age negative is not possible. Whereas if you substitute x equal to 14 means 5 years before she would have been 9 years, which is possible there. So try to understand. That is the reason they are giving in this question one more condition, which is talking about 5 years back also. Okay, therefore Zeba's actual age is 14 years. Okay, 14 years. Yeah, this is what your answer. Don't write this one. This one I gave you only for your understanding of why you are negative, why you are omitting the negative. So actual answer for this question is 14 years. That's it. With fourth question, we are going to have only one more question. I will be expecting you to watch the full video without missing any important question. Definitely, whatever the time you are spending with me right now, or the questions whatever I am teaching, just the namesake I am not teaching. I am picking all the important questions from your PYQs, that is previous year question papers, and examiner questions, and CBSE question bank. I am referring many websites, and then I am bringing you the best possible questions which will help you definitely to score better in your 10th standard maths exam. So don't think that this R is randomly bringing some 5 questions and solving and wasting our time. Never ever feel like that. Whatever the time you are spending in this playlist, definitely it is going to be worth to you. Okay, you will understand, you will realize that very soon whenever you are facing some real examinations there. Okay, this is going to be the last video, last sum of this video. At present, again age based question. At present, Asha's age in years is 2 more than the square of her daughter Nisha's age. So here they are comparing one age with another age. Okay, one age with another age they are going to compare, but they are making some relationship within itself. So try to understand again here. Let me take like Nisha's age only they are making, no. So I am going to take it as in point of view of Nisha's age. Let Nisha's age be, I'll use X here. Okay, I'll use X here. Then Asha's age will be what they give, 2 more than square. Then I can write x square plus 2. 2 more than square. Okay, so I have completed up to this one only. I have completed only this one. Now continue reading. When Nisha grows to her mother's present age, Asha's age would be 1 year less than 10 times of the present age of Nisha. That is, who is daughter here? Square of a daughter. Nisha is the daughter. When Nisha is growing to her Asha's age, that is her mother's age, it would be 1 year less than 10 times of present age of Nisha. Okay, so try to understand, this is a very interesting part. Okay, I am going to take x square plus 2. Okay, this is an important part. X square plus 2 is Asha's age. Okay, Asha's age, if she moves from here to here, that is when Nisha is coming to Asha's age, means this is like a difference only, no. Okay, for example, Nisha is 10 years and Asha is some 30 years. When Nisha comes to Asha's age, how long she will take? She will take 20 years, which means what? She is going to subtract. So 30 minus 10 only I need to do to get the difference. So I need to get the difference here. So I am writing x square plus 2 minus x. I am writing. Why I am subtracting? Because I need to get the difference. I hope you understand here. Suppose Nisha is 10 years old, Asha is 30 years old. Nisha has to reach Asha's age, means she has to take 20 years further. How I am getting the 20? I am subtracting 10 from 30. In the same logic, I am subtracting x from x square plus 2. Now this is what they gave, 1 year less than 10 times of present age of Nisha. Present age of Nisha only we have taken x. So 10 times x minus 1. Why I am writing minus 1? Because they have mentioned 1 year less than. So writing this sentence is very important. Yes, now solve it. X square and x square, 2x square, and you have one negative x, and 2 plus 2 is 4, and bring them here, negative 10x plus 1. Make sure what the symbols are going to change. 10x comes here, minus 10x. Minus 1 comes here, plus 10, plus 1. Okay. Now solve it. 2x square minus 15x, or how many x is here? 10, 1. Yeah, 11x, right? So 11x, 4 plus 1 is 5 is equals to 0. Now I need to solve. You have a variable here that is constant there, coefficient. So 2 5s are 10 and 11. So when I am multiplying, I need to get 10. When I am adding, I need to get negative 11 actually. Okay, it is negative 11 in the middle. So obviously 10 ones are only. I need to put both 10 negatives there. And you have 2 here, right? So I need to write it 2 here, and here also I need to 2. So this is going to be negative 5. This is going to be negative 1 by 2. How I can write this one? X minus 5. And this can be written as 2x minus 1 is equals to 0. That is, you write 1x in the denominator and write like this, 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So when you are solving this, you are going to have x is equal to 5, and another one you are going to have x equal to 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 is not possible, therefore x equal to 5 is our answer. Okay, question is what? Find the percentages of both of them they are asking. So Nisha age is 5 years, and Asha age, what I need to do? Square plus 2. So 5 square 25 plus 2, 27 years. That's all your answer. Yes, I found this video will be very much helpful to you. Yes, I hope you got some idea about how to face word problems in your quadratic equation concept. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video is helpful to you, and if you found this video will be helpful to your friends also, means kindly do share it by clicking a share icon. It will be directly redirected to your WhatsApp. You can share minimum 5 to 10 of your classmates. Only bringing many views to me, I will be getting motivated to post more videos in the upcoming days exclusively for 10th standard CBSE students. So please do check the playlist. Lot of sums, lot of other chapters of important questions I have solved. Do support to my channel by subscribing it and hit the bell icon. Whenever I'm getting whenever you are getting the videos, you will be receiving the notifications to get it. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch up with another chapter with another set of interesting questions. Take care. Bye bye.